Hi guys, welcome back to the Asylum. Today I am super stoked to get this in the mail yesterday. It is the iFlight NAZGUL5 6S. The reason why I'm so stoked about this is because I'm actually moving away from the Wizard slightly, a lot, and it's my first 6S. So I've been duly talked into it. So let's go through this and see what you get and see what the first impressions are and what you get and what's in the box first. Alright, first off, a couple of sets of props. What are they? 5140s. So they should be cool. We get a whole bunch of little coolie screws. What are they? Frame and motor screws. Cool as. A couple of iFlight stickers. Yay. Battery grippy, so we can stick that on there. Spare battery strap. This should be interesting because, especially being a 6S, whether they actually fit around a 6S LiPo, but we'll find out. You've got your little RX antenna covers and your little lollipop. I'm going to stick that on. It's an iFlight one, so that should be cool. What do we got here? We have the CADX OSD board, which is always handy. They're always good. And you can get it out of the box as well, so packed in there. Ooh, ooh. Come on, come on. Get out. Get out of your box. We have to reverse engineer this. Hey, here we are. One iFlight NAZGUL 5 6S. As I said, I'm really stoked to get this because, as I said, being a 6S, this will be my first 6S rig, and I want a bit more of a challenge, to be honest. So what you get a 3K carbon frame. It's a True X, as you can see. 227 mil, 362 grams without battery. You can get it in bind and fly, and you can get it as plug and play. You've got your all-in-one stack, so you've got your 4S flight controller in there. You've got your 45 amp 4-in-1 D-Shot 600 ESC. You've got your Zing E. What are they? Well, they're supposed to be 1700 kV. These are 1800 kV. That's all right. That'd be cool. So as I said, it comes with the 5140 props, so they'll fit on there nicely, and it'll also probably fit if you've got any other 5-inch props, they'll probably fit on there quite well. You've got the CADX Ratel camera in the front. That should be a good little camera. The VTX is adjustable up to 600 milliwatt, and I really like the little TPU mounts and rubbers they've got everywhere on this. That'd be really good they're nice and flexy. I like the frame. The frame's finished really well for a 3K, and supposedly you can change an arm just by taking one screw out. So I'm guessing it's this one down here, that one down there, and you can slide out an arm and replace it. I'm not looking forward to replacing an arm anytime soon. But I like the frame. It's a lot neater and nicer than my old Wizard. The build quality is really neat, actually. Everything's really nicely put in there. It's all soldered really well, and there's a bit of play on the motor wires too, so if you have any issue, at least you've got a little bit to work with and solder them back on. So, but as you can see dangling out the back, for those who get it as a bind and fly, you won't probably get this because you already have your RX in there, but this is for the plug and play. So I'm actually waiting for my RX to rock up, and hopefully, fingers crossed, some 6S cells and my charger. So once that happens, that is going to be absolutely amazing. If not, I'm going to have to probably maiden it because I won't be able to help myself on 4S, and we'll see how that goes. But I really like these motors. They're actually really nicely done. Windings look really tight. It's really well built. There's everything you need and nothing you don't, which is good. So yeah, I'm really stoked to get this out there and get it ripping around. So I will, fingers crossed, have some 6S cells to run through it. If not, I'm going to have to fly on a 4S for a bit, but we'll see how that one goes. But otherwise, yeah, I'm really happy with this. The finish is really good on the carbon. It's not 4K, but you know what? For the price and the finish on this is really good. So hopefully it'll hold up in some crashes, and yeah, really like this actually. I'm really stoked to actually see this, especially just before Christmas. So yeah, I'll get it all bound up, chuck the RX in once it rocks up, and yeah, we'll go from there. We'll see what she looks like in the air. All right, cool. Wow guys, I'm really super stoked with this. The only little things that I would bring up is that, and thanks for Jay over at SquiggleFPV, who brought me to this, and I'll leave some links down to Jay's channel down below. Awesome work, Jay. Is the little nuts on top of the stack that hold the VTX down. They do get a little loose, so maybe look at changing them, or iFlight change them, because they do come loose and you'll end up with your stack going everywhere. This is an amazing flyer on 4S, great. 6S is an absolute rocket, out of the box, no tuning. All I did was turn air mode on and I was off and running. If you are looking at these, I'll leave the links down below also, but you're looking for NAZGUL5 6S with the receiver already installed, you're looking at about 196 US. Australian, you're looking at 291 with the receiver. A little bit cheaper if you get one without the receiver, and depending on which warehouse you get it out of. So yeah, thanks again Jay over at SquiggleFPV for this and pushing me into the 6S. Loving it. 6S is absolutely amazing, so much power, and the squeal out of these motors is fantastic. As I said, please leave a like, subscribe if you want. And as always, happy ripping and make every pack count. Thanks guys.